Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to disable friends of friends on BeReal. If you want to stop strangers from seeing your post on BeReal, first of all, open up the BeReal app on your Android or iPhone device, and then once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Inside the profile section, tap on the gear icon at the top right, and you will see the settings menu. From the settings option, tap on privacy. Under privacy, tap on friends of friends. Toggle off the button right next to connect your friends and click on disable. Now only your direct friends can see your posts. Disabling friends of friends means more control over who sees your daily BeReal moments. This is perfect if you like to keep your content more private. And there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.